I'm a bit late. I had to rush into an emergency, but the good thing is now that I'm here, let's have some fun now. Okay, you all know about a Yamaha. It's around 100 years old, and we make the best of the best. Today I'm going to be reviewing two of the electric pianos that we have, the DGX and the CVP. So let's turn it on, have some fun first. See, they've sampled the Yamaha CF3, which is one of the flagship 8-foot grand pianos. So you can have the luxury of having the feel of a CF3 at home. So you don't just want a piano, do you? You want a backup band as well. Let's have a backup band. So here I have it. This is the DGX. Thank you. The one thing I like about this little baby is the price point. You cannot get a piano of this quality with the CF3, with this extra graded, sorry about that, with the keybed like that. This is the best quality keybed that you could get for this price. Now let's move on to something really serious. The CVP.